Hey, how are you guys doing? I hope you are safe and in best of your health. It's summer and COVID too. My makeup products, and I'm sure yours too, many of them have expired. With summer being on, also the makeup melts and there is mask still be worn in many parts of the world, so we have issues like mask acne and much more. So we decide not to wear a lot of makeup or maybe just amplify the eyes. We don't have many makeup products left maybe. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this particular look with minimum products. And if you don't have brushes, you can do that with fingers too. I know many might not feel to invest in makeup right now because of various reasons we don't want to get into. So I created this very simple and easy to recreate look, and I have created with minimum products that I have at my end, and you can recreate this look with similar products at your end. This is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE and welcome back to my channel. Now, without further ado, let's get back at the tutorial. As you have seen, I used the same lipstick as the eyeshadow, the blush and the lipstick as well. And I use my contour powder for the crease above and the outer corner, as well as for contouring the nose over here, the cheeks and the jawline, and also for my brows. Yes, that's what I told you. I'm going to be using the most minimum products. Then the highlighter, I use it in my inner corner, as well as the highlighter also highlighted on the nose, the cupid bone. Multi-purpose uses of same product. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I did recreating it, and I hope it was simple for you to understand. I hope to see your recreations. If you have liked the video, do give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Also share it with your friends and family. That will help me grow. Save it for your further referral, and if you haven't subscribed till now, do hit that bell button so that you are aware of all my videos. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.